Hey, what's up, y'all? Doing this video, one, because I gotta have like this full disclosure. I used to have an issue with people stressing that when I made my own shoes that I was a black-owned company. And I used to kind of push back and be like, nah, man, I'm just a sneaker company. You ain't gotta say it's black-owned. I'm doing my thing and this is great. And I'm working hard at it. But then I realized, I was like, wait a minute. A part of my story is the fact that it's extremely difficult for a black person to accomplish a lot of different things in this industry. And with the fact that nepotism runs rampant, people hiring their friends, of course, if you have accomplished building a business as a black person, you've kind of jumped over these huge hurdles. Now, that doesn't diminish the fact that my brothers and sisters who are white or Asian or anything else, that they've encountered hardships as well. But we know that for African Americans, for black folks, man, things are just different, yo. I mean, that's just the facts. Now, I'm talking way too much. And what I said all of that for is to say I make it a point not to just support black businesses, to support good black businesses. Just because you're black and you have a business, if I look at your site and it's trash, if the interface is bad, I'm not supporting you. You don't get supported just because you're black. You get supported because you got a great freaking business. And you just so happen to be black, which makes me proud to support you even more. You gotta have your stuff together. You can't just sit down and decide you're gonna do a business and just throw stuff together and not really follow through. And I raised all of that issue to speak for a minute because I ordered sweatshirts, right? And I didn't order them before Christmas. So you guys are like, dang, you just getting them? And nah, I ordered this after Christmas because there's a local designer, right? And that local designer, the brand is called No Definition. And last year, and these are totes, right? I only ordered sweatshirts. The order came with 2 totes with the logo. So when I talk about the fact that people have to begin, and I'm fumbling around here because you guys don't realize the customer service level of No Definition. Amazing. All right, so I'm going to make sure I put the website right here. I'm going to put it in the description, but I bought family shirts, right? So my son, my daughter, my wife, myself. So we have our shirts that we got. And I just wanted to show you guys the shirts. I'm not going to put it on. I was going to go back here in the back of the studio and put the shirts on. I simply have to show you how everything came packaged. Now, you know I bought something from Rock Ridge as well. And Rock Ridge is a black-owned apparel manufacturer out of Oakland. This came packaged dope as hell. I mean, I just love the fact 2 totes. I got a few shirts in this bag, so I have to open this up. The most beautiful thing in the world, Keith Murray, shout out. This is a black woman-owned streetwear brand. She's dope as hell. Dope. All right, so let me keep going here and show you guys. Wait a minute. The first sweatshirt, and this is my wife's sweatshirt. Peep the hang tag. No Definition. Know who you are. Define it with style. NoDefinition.com. It's dope, man. All right, so I'm holding this up. You see that? Flip this back so you guys can see the print there. It's okay to be black and awkward. Man, it's carefree, spiritual, woke. My wife's gonna rock the hell out of this shirt. She's gonna rock this, man. Spiritual, woke, a nerd, bougie, ratchet. All right, so that's the first shirt, man. I gotta take my signed copy down here and move this over to my lap for a moment because I'm gonna lay these over the top because I just want you to be able to still see them. Now, I ordered a shirt And this is where somebody would be like, well, you didn't get the shirt that you wanted. I ordered a shirt. I ordered a sweatshirt in this color, right? Because, one, I'm a little part country and I'm a little part West Coast all day. And this is the shirt that I got. I got this one, right? Pete, giving honor to the ancestors who decided to combine corn plus bread. Amen. Hey, that's my shirt right there, right? I ordered the sweatshirt. The sweatshirt wasn't in stock in this color. No Definition sent this shirt, which I did not order this shirt. They sent this shirt, and this is my daughter's shirt right here. But they also sent me my sweatshirt. 2 totes, the t-shirt, and my sweatshirt. At this time, man, if you have a small business and you're not taking care of your consumer in this way, now, yeah, how much did I spend? I spent over $200, but that was a well spent $200. I mean, so I get my shirt, my cornbread shirt, and obviously I'm excited about my cornbread shirt, my daughter's sweatshirt, right? And we're gonna do a group picture. So the picture for this video will be a group picture of the fam in No Definition with the logo on the joint, because I am going that far above and beyond, because when I get this type of customer service, I've gotten it from 99 products. You have to do great service. You have to make dope. Think about it. All right, so my daughter's sweatshirt says, I'm moving that up so you can see it, I exist because my ancestors used their creativity to survive, period. The slogans, man, on the shirts at No Definition, A1. I hate doing that now. I can't even do the OK sign because 2020 took that away from me. But I'm doing it anyway, man. Forget that. So that's my daughter's sweatshirt. Now remember, that kind of burnt orange, I didn't order that t-shirt. They sent that t-shirt independently of, the original order. So this is my son's t-shirt, and I'll actually do this one last because I want you to see my t-shirt about that cornbread, because y'all guys remember in life you're gonna eat your cornbread. How you gonna ask a man about his cornbread? What the hell's wrong with you? You don't ask a man for his cornbread. I like my cornbread. I'm wearing my shirt. All right, so don't trip when you see me in the streets. I'll be rocking this. And I wish there was like a No Definition on the sleeve. Yo, get on that. Give me a patch, man, like my old school black college shirts with the patch with the No Definition logo right there. That'd be crazy. You don't have any, let me know, I'll make some. Hell, I'll get invested in this. I love it, love it. All right, so that's my sweater. And this is the last one. I know you guys are like, man, it's a long ass video, man. Why are you taking so long? I apologize for taking so long, but I'm just simply trying to stress to you guys how proud I am, and this is the perfect shirt to end the video on, how proud I am when I work with a company, and it's a black company, and they do everything right. And I shouldn't have like this feeling of just this warm feeling, man, and of happiness. I should always feel this way when I spend my money. I should always feel like I'm important. Big shout out, No Definition. This is the perfect way to end this video. You guys that stayed this long, I appreciate you. Man, fantastic stuff. Fantastic. Just beautiful. I'll see you guys on the next one.